Most people, when they're chopping onions, you tend to cry, right? Well, I have this, I don't know if it's true or not, but it works for me. You put a peel in your head and then you chop it, and it actually works because I'm not crying right now. That was funny? It can be true though. I never cry with doing onions and I put that on my head. I might be smelling like onions after I'm finished this, but it's okay. Also, submerging them in cold water does help get that chemical that makes you cry.